Maintaining the pristine condition of your car's leather seats can be a daunting task, especially if you're not equipped with the right tools and knowledge. Over time, dirt, dust, and grime accumulate on the leather surface, leaving it looking dull and faded. Additionally, constant exposure to sunlight and heat can cause the leather to crack and peel. That's where a good quality car leather seat cleaner and conditioner comes in handy. In this video, I will mention the 5 best car leather seat cleaners and conditioners for you. So watch the full video and check the links given in the description for updated prices and information.
Leather Honey Conditioner.
Number 1 is Car Guy's Super Cleaner. Car Guy's Leather Car Seat Cleaner uses nanotechnology to clean your car seat like never before. The nanoparticles reach deep into the upholstery fibers and lift away dirt, grime, and other unwanted particles from the surface of your seats. This technology has been tested to provide deeper cleaning than any ordinary cleaner. It can clean every car interior or exterior surface easily except glass and panel screens. Simply spray the cleaner and wipe away for a renewed, sparkling surface that looks like new. Don't worry if you have fabric, leather, plastic, or vinyl surfaces. This product works on absolutely everything to save you time and hassle. Number 2 is Marine Grade Leather Conditioner in Boat Vinyl. This special formulation helps to remove dirt, salt, and grime from cushions, seats, benches, and trim, restoring their natural protection and shine. It will protect your leather goods from sun damage such as fading, cracking, and aging. As it's formulated especially for the marine environment, you can trust that this product will not let you down when exposed to moisture and other elements. This product contains a creamy emulsion base that will keep your favorite leather items smooth and conditioned in just one application. The unique combination of surfactants delicately lifts dirt while adding and protecting vital moisture to restore natural suppleness. Number 3 is Leather Honey Leather Cleaner Spray. This leather cleaner spray ensures your beloved leather goods remain in optimal condition without risk of toxicity or damage. Infused with a UV protectant, this product guards your items against fading due to direct sunlight and wear and tear over time, extending the life of your valuable possessions. It is a deep cleaning solution that is perfect for all your leather materials. This leather cleaner spray is the best way to restore shine and radiance to both old and new leather of every color. Number 4 is Turtle Wax Leather Cleaner and Conditioner. This one-step product quickly and effectively works to clean, condition, and protect automotive leather interiors for a fresh look that lasts. It is formulated to provide protection from the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays, helping prevent fading and drying of your car leather seat. Not only that, but it also helps maintain the product's original gloss for a stunning look you can cherish time after time. Turtle Wax Leather Cleaner and Conditioner is the perfect solution for busy people. With a few simple steps, you can achieve an immaculate leather finish with minimal effort. Number 5 is Adam's Leather Care Kit. Adam's Leather Care Kit is the essential package for keeping your leather items looking perfect. This kit contains everything you need to clean, condition, and protect your leather goods. A powerful leather cleaner that quickly removes dirt and grime, a luxurious leather conditioner that conditions without leaving any residue, car cleaning supplies to keep your interior accessories in top condition, UV protection to ensure long-lasting beauty, and a shoe polish for extra shine.